The Best Gas Forge Buying Guide, Reviews and Comparison, 2022, Milkwood. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Max Propane Forge Double Burner Unit from Hell's Forge, USA. With its double burner surface, it provides a large work area. And as a propane forge, it reaches temperatures of up to 1260 degrees Celsius, allowing it to soften many of the commonly used blacksmithing metals. Furthermore, this best gas forge is not only extremely large, but is also covered with a thick blanket of ceramic fibers with a rigid coating. Hell's Forge Propane Single Burner. As a smaller forge, it is perfect for beginner blacksmiths or hobbyists who are seeking mobility in their work.